Welcome back, gadget lovers. In this video, we are going to show you top 5 genius kitchen gadgets that are worth buying. These 5 products really are cool, so make sure to stick around till the end. All the links to the products are given in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful video. Tired of uneven veggie slices? Say goodbye to prep struggles with the OXO Good Grips Handheld Mandoline Slicer. This slicer isn't just easy, it's a game changer. Get perfect slices every time for salads, tarts, or gratins, making your dishes look and taste amazing. With adjustable thickness settings and a smooth stainless steel blade, slicing has never been quicker. No extra mess, slice right onto a plate or bowl, and when you're done, pop it in the dishwasher. Safe, fast, and easy. Why wait? Grab your OXO Mandoline Slicer today and make meal prep a breeze. Stay tuned for more kitchen hacks in our next video. Tired of boring breakfasts? Meet the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker, your new morning hero. This gadget whips up delicious breakfast sandwiches in just minutes, transforming your morning routine. Why settle for plain toast or cereal? With this maker, you can customize your sandwich with your favorite bread, cheese, and toppings. Whether it's a classic egg and cheese or a savory bacon croissant, the choice is yours. In just 4 easy steps, enjoy a warm, satisfying sandwich in about 5 minutes. Plus, cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts and non-stick surfaces, perfect for busy mornings. Elevate your breakfast game with the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. Ready to revolutionize your mornings? Grab yours today and start enjoying tasty breakfasts like never before. Tired of struggling with dull knives in the kitchen? Say hello to the Imarku 7-inch Santoku knife, an essential tool for every home chef. Why is a sharp knife crucial? It not only makes slicing and chopping effortless, but also enhances your cooking experience. Made from premium German high-carbon stainless steel, this knife stays sharp longer and resists rust and corrosion. From dicing onions to slicing meat, it can handle it all. The unique hollow edge prevents food from sticking, making your cuts smoother and quicker. Plus, the ergonomic Pakkawood handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing wrist strain during long cooking sessions. With the Imarku knife, you can prep ingredients faster and enjoy more time at the table. And cleanup is easy, just toss it in the dishwasher. Ready to elevate your cooking? The Imarku Santoku knife makes a perfect gift for any cooking enthusiast. Grab yours today, you won't regret it. And don't forget to check out our next video. Don't buy a kitchen scale like this. You'll miss out on precise measurements that make or break recipes. Accurate measurements are key for baking, cooking, and portion control. If you've ever ruined a dish by adding too much, you know the struggle. That's where the KitchenAid KQ909 dual platform digital scale steps in. This scale goes beyond numbers. With a max capacity of 11 pounds and a second platform for 16 ounces, it covers big and small tasks. Precision, 0.1 ounces for larger items and 0.001 ounces for tiny ingredients. The dual platform design lets you measure flour and spices at the same time. Meal prep just got faster. The tare function makes resetting weight easy, so no need for extra bowls. And with its stainless steel surface, cleanup is quick and effortless. The KitchenAid KQ909 saves time, reduces mess, and simplifies your kitchen routine. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this scale is a must-have. Upgrade your cooking today. Grab the KitchenAid KQ909 and stay tuned for more kitchen hacks in our next video. Never start your baking without the right tools. If you love making cupcakes but hate the mess, the Tovolo Silicone Plunger Muffin and Cupcake Scoop is about to become your new best friend. Why does it matter? Messy batter can turn baking into a chore. Spills not only make cleanup harder, but can spoil the fun. This scoop's curved edge design keeps batter contained until you're ready to release it, eliminating drips and unnecessary mess. How can it help you? The Tovolo scoop makes portioning batter a breeze. With a sliding button that activates the silicone plunger, the batter lands neatly in your pan. No more messy drips. You'll get consistent portions every time, making your cupcakes look just as good as they taste. How does it save time? Less mess means less time scrubbing countertops. Plus, the scoop is dishwasher safe, so when you're done, just pop it in the dishwasher, easy cleanup, no hassle. Level up your baking game today. The Tovolo silicone plunger scoop is lightweight, easy to handle, and a game changer for mess-free baking. Grab one and make every bake a breeze. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Stay safe, and I will be back soon with another important gadgets video.